daming ano dito, makakain. Ayan yung pagkain dito, affordable. Hindi natin pinasok ito kasi affordable pala dito eh.
Nakadikit din. Yung dara sila Arlene, sabi niyan doon, kapon, birthday kasi niya nung 25.
Let's eat again. Near the beach again. Near the beach. But the very city.